Coming up on 5:38 this morning, and we're asking, where's the money? Or rather, where are you putting it? So we're talking about digital banking. An article from Forbes broke down some numbers as to how folks are saving, and we've got a way for you to make money on what you already have. So let's get into it. First, when we're looking at the average account balance, Forbes says people have about $5,300 in the bank. That number includes all checking, savings, money market, and call deposit accounts, as well as prepaid debit cards. Now, only 6% of folks across the country don't have a bank account at all. It's a low number, but that actually is an increase from 2020. And as for people's preference, well, the majority of Americans are now on board with digital banking. Last year, nearly 80% of adults said they would rather bank using a mobile app or a website. Only 29% of Americans actually prefer to bank in person. Now, here's that money-making tip that I was talking about. It's called a certificate of deposit account. They work a lot like a savings account that gives you interest the longer you let the money sit there. Now, unlike a savings account, though, you usually have to wait before making that first withdrawal to make the most money. So those are the stats, but we want to hear from you. Do you prefer banking in person or online? Make sure you text us at 704-329-3600. Guys, I think it depends on what we're talking about. I definitely want to see a person if I'm looking at, maybe buying a house or opening up one of those high-yield savings accounts. But everything else I think I can do online.
The basics.
Yeah.
The basics.
My app does just fine for the basics, at least. Okay, thanks.